Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to book Air Arabia ticket online. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and go to the official Air Arabia website. And on the home page, you're going to see the book flight search box. So here you're going to have to enter your return your destination city. So just see all destinations. And just choose any country of my choice. And to say that's where I'm going. So from there, that is flying from, flying to, and your departure dates. So let's say I'm going on this date. And since it's one way, I don't have to put in the return date. So you're gonna have to also select your what's it called, passengers. So if you're booking for more people, more adults, children or infants, just go ahead and select. If it's just you, just leave it at one. Then if you have a promo code, just go ahead and enter it in here. And once you're done, just go ahead and click on search and book. So it's going to take you right here where you'll be able to see available flight options. Now, from the flight options, just browse through the list of available flights, compare the departure and arrival times, flight duration, and fares, and select the outbound flight that best suits your schedule if you're actually choosing. Okay, all right. So I'm just gonna have to click on view flight. So if you're booking a return trip, you're gonna have to choose your preferred return flight in the same way. So I click on view flight and I like this. So just go ahead and click on select and it takes me here. So now you have to enter the required passenger information exactly as it appears on each travel document. So I'm going to click here, enter passenger details. So once you're done filling out all of this, just double check everything because you, especially your email, because your booking confirmation and e-ticket will be sent there. So once you click on continue, it takes you here where you can continue to the optional services page. This is the optional services page. So you can customize your booking by adding checked baggage allowance, preferred seats, Kai Cafe meals, and travel insurance, airport services such as lounge access or fast track services depending on your departure or airport. So once you've done that, just go ahead and click on proceed to payment. It's just extra selection meeting. Select extras for all passengers. Oh, okay. So I have to add my checked bag, and I just go click confirm. Go the way in. They just need me to add every extra. Okay. Okay. Then I have to add my seat as well. Let's say I want to use that. Keep same seats. Thank you. So I have to add all of these extras before I proceed to payment. So that's taking me to the payment page. So scroll the way down until you have your payment method. So choose your payment method. Here you have the cards that are accepted by Air Arabia. So enter card number, cardholder name, expiry date, and click on continue to payment. and wait for the payment to be processed. Now, do not refresh or close the browser while the transaction is being completed. And once the payment is successful, Air Arabia will display a booking confirmation page showing your booking reference, which is a PNR, and shortly afterward you receive a confirmation email containing your itinerary and e-ticket. Save the email or download the ticket for future reference. If you need to add baggage, choose seats, purchase meals, modify your booking, or check in later, just visit the Manage Booking section on the Air Arabia website using your booking reference and your last name. So go by tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.